Hello kids, how are you? Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn alphabets, capital alphabets A to Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, let's learn some colors. These are all the color pencils. Let's learn the names. Violet color, brown color, green color, red color, sky blue color, yellow color, pink color, light pink color, green color and orange color. Let's draw a alphabets. Violet color, A for apple, APPLE, apple. B, orange color, B for ball, BALL, ball. Green color, C for cat, CAT, cat. Light pink color, D for dog, DOG, dog. Light pink color, E for egg, EGG, egg. Yellow color, F for fish, FISH, fish. Sky blue color, G for goat, GOAT, goat. Red color, H for hat, HAT, hat. Green color, I for ink, INK, ink. Brown color, J for jar, JAR, jar. Violet color, K for kite, KITE, kite. Red color, L for lion, LION, lion. Green color, M for mango, MANGO, mango. Pink color, N for nest, NEST, nest. Pink color, O for orange. Green color, P for parrot. Red color, Q for queen. Sky blue color, R for rose. Yellow color, S for sunflower. Pink color, T for table. Green color, U for umbrella. Orange color, V for van. Violet color, X for X-ray. Brown color, Y for yellow. Red color, Z for zebra. Once again learning alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, X, Y, Z. Okay? Bye kids.